Hello all. In this session, we are going to automate the knowledge feedback validation using ATF. I'll be showing how to search for an article in the service portal, provide a feedback and a rating on the article, and then verify that the feedback is visible to the knowledge manager on the knowledge record. Let me create a test for that. First step would be I would be querying for an existing knowledge article in published state so that we can use the same one to use it in the portal to open and provide a feedback. For that, I'll be using the step required query. Okay, workflow is published. Let me also give condition or short description. Okay. Next, I would be creating two users. One is knowledge manager and other one is the portal user. And I'm checking in to impersonate. Okay. Next step would be opening a home page on the service portal. And after this one, once the page is open, we need to give input to the search field on the home page. For that, I'll be using a step set component values. And for this one, as it has to retrieve the components of this page, we have to run this step so that the components of the home page are retrieved. So let me come back here. We'll be using the same text as we have given over there so that it will be working, looking for the same article. And then we'll be clicking on, we have to click on the button search as all the components have been retrieved, we can search for that button. For that, we need to use the click component. After this one, the list of results will be displayed, and then we have to click an article link which will be displayed over there. For that, we will be using the step again click component. As it's a next page, we have to retrieve the components again. Whenever the components are retrieved, system will try to run the step execution till there so that it can retrieve that page components. Okay, now that the components have been retrieved, let me try to add that step click component. Okay, we have the link here. And after this one, once the article has been clicked, next thing is like it will go to the individual article page. On that one, we will be providing the rating and even marking if it is helpful or not. For that, we need to again use the custom component step to retrieve the components of the individual article page. Okay, first thing that I would like to provide is the rating. Select this one. And the next one is like I want to mark it helpful. As we have already retrieved the components, no need to do it again. We have rated the article and even provided whether it is helpful or not. Now the next thing is like I need to impersonate as a knowledge manager, open the article in the backend, and then verify whatever input given in the portal if it is registered across the article or not. So that let me use the impersonate step. User information, I'll take it from step number 2. This is where I have created the knowledge manager record. Then I will be using the form category to open the existing knowledge record. And input I'll be taking from step number 1. It's a knowledge table. And then to verify the feedback which is in the related list, I'll be using the step apply filter to the list. the list and related list category. Assert type will be only one record should match. The related list would be feedback. The condition that I provide here will be the next one would be validating the feedback, which is yes. Okay, now the script has been built. Let us see how does the execution go on. And the article information will be clicked. And then rating would be 5. And yes would be clicked. Now as a knowledge manager, the record has been opened. And we see that the filters are getting applied and only one record is getting displayed. Okay, let me come back to this step. Now we see that the execution is successful. This is how we validate knowledge feedback validation scenario in a real time, like from end to end. Like we pick up an published article, provide feedback, and then we come back and verify if it is logged on the article and visible to the respective knowledge managers. This is what we have for this session. Let us get connected on the next section. Thank you, everyone.